Learn these 40 essential U.S. road signs every driver must know to pass the DMV test with ease. Question 1. Guess this road sign. The answer is A. School speed limit ahead. Question 2. Identify this traffic sign. The answer is B. School crossing. Question 3. Spot this road sign. The answer is C. Railroad crossing crossbuck. Question 4. Guess this traffic sign. The answer is B. No pedestrians crossing. Question 5. What is this road sign? The answer is C. School bus stop ahead. Question 6. Name this road sign. The answer is A. Reverse turn right. Question 7. Which traffic sign is this? The answer is C. Winding road. Question 8. Spot this road sign. The answer is A. Crossroad. Question 9. Guess this traffic sign. The answer is B. Curve right. Question 10. Identify this road sign. The answer is A. Weight limit. Question 11. Which road sign is this? The answer is C. No equestrians. Question 12. Guess this traffic sign. The answer is B. Reverse turn left. Question 13. What is this traffic sign? The answer is C. Traffic signal photo enforced. Question 14. Identify this traffic sign. The answer is A. Chevron right. Question 15. Guess this traffic sign. The answer is B. Curve left. Question 16. Spot this road sign. The answer is C. Do not drive on tracks. Question 17. What is this road sign? The answer is A. National Network Route. Question 18. Identify this traffic sign. The answer is C. No snowmobiles. Question 19. Guess this traffic sign. The answer is B. Turn right. Question 20. Which road sign is this? The answer is A. Hairpin curve right. Question 21. Identify this traffic sign. The answer is B. Curve with side road right. Question 22. Identify this road sign. The answer is C. Turn left. Question 23. Guess this traffic sign. The answer is B. No hitchhiking. Question 24. Guess this traffic sign. The answer is A. No skaters. Question 25. What is this road sign? The answer is B. Hazardous material route. Question 26. Identify this traffic sign. The answer is A. No all-terrain vehicles. Question 27. Guess this traffic sign. The answer is C. Reverse curve right. Question 28. Identify this road sign. The answer is B. Curve with crossroad right. Question 29. What is this road sign? The answer is A. Truck rollover warning right. Question 30. Identify this traffic sign. The answer is C. Double lane shift right. Question 31. Guess this traffic sign. The answer is A. Reverse curve left. Question 32. Spot this road sign. The answer is B. Reverse curve with side road right. Question 33. What is this traffic sign? The answer is C. Hazardous material prohibited. Question 34. Identify this road sign. The answer is B. 270-degree loop curve right. Question 35. Which road sign is this? The answer is A. Curve with tangent right. Question 36. Spot this traffic sign. The answer is C. National network prohibited. Question 37. Guess this traffic sign. The answer is B. Triple lane shift right. Question 38. Identify this road sign. The answer is C. Curve with tangent from side right. Question 39. Identify this road sign. The answer is C. Interior lane shift right. Question 40. Which traffic sign is this? The answer is B. Keep left. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for weekly road sign practice and helpful driving tips. Tap one of the videos on your screen to challenge yourself with more quizzes and guides. Keep practicing, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.